Okay guys, Chris Lambert here again. I have one more thing I found that I wanted to unbox for you. Somebody at work got locked out of their car the other day. They went to do something and the door closed most of the way, and their keys were in the car. So I found this off Amazon for $32.91 shipped. So let's check this out. I think I can open just one side. Okay. Came in a really big box. Okay. So what we have here is universal lockout tool set. Oops, it's coming up. This is the top. Okay. It did come in a bag. I was hoping it would come in the bag. So looks like we got a Slim Jim, a couple of Slim Jims. Wow, they feel a little bit sharp. Might have to sand these down a little bit, but you can expect that for the price. So here we got the instruction book. Wow, different cars, different vehicles. That's nice. I didn't expect that, so I'll go through it, and here we go. Shows you how to get into your car if you lock yourself out. Got some more info on car models. And here we've got, these are the tools included. Not to be used unlawfully, it says down there. Everyone knows that. Okay. So here we've got a little inflatable airbag. I'm not sure how all these work, but I'm sure you can look up YouTube videos and find out how to do everything. I'm pretty sure that goes into here. It's got the hose. Hook up the hose to this, and you inflate it and deflate it. And that's that part. This makes you have a gap to put your tools in. I don't know if you do that in the door or window or both. I bought this one because of the variety of tools. And well, okay, I don't know what this is, but I'm sure it's something that you use. So check out that tool. Wow. Got a hook here and yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it shows you how to use this stuff in the instructions. Here we got a S-shaped thing. Another hook here. Another hook here. There we got some wedges. Wedge in there. Make an opening to fit your tools in. And not sure what, maybe these go on the Slim Jims. I think they go on the ends of the Slim Jims. They're just, yeah, they are. The rubber ends. They open up on one end. And then we got, this surprised me that it came with this car key. I don't know if you'd put this in here, wiggle it around and hope it opens, but I thought that was a good deal for just over 30 bucks. So yeah, it's called the I don't know how to pronounce that. Seijasaki 10-piece car tool kit for car repair. It's not repair, it's so there it is. I'll put that in my car, or maybe even bring it into the workplace and leave it there in case somebody locks herself out, because coat hangers are hard to find nowadays. Everyone uses plastic coat hangers. That's the problem we had at work. We were able to find some kind of a wire, and he got into his car, so he didn't have to pay a fortune to call a locksmith and have a locksmith do it. And I saw these cardinals drinking out of my water bowl, and I wanted to take the camera off. And of course, there's the neighbor's husky or Malamute, whatever that is. So I wanted to show you birds that I have living in my yard or neighborhood that I feed every day with peanuts, blueberries if I have some. There's a water bowl so they have clean water every day. And if they run out of their peanuts or bird food, they go for the cat food. So yeah, that's it anyway. There goes one of the cats I feed. Tank. Anyway, for about $33 total is what I paid. You get yourself a lot of tools. So thanks for watching. I'm sure you can search for YouTube videos on how to get into your car, put your make and model in, and yeah, good luck. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.